Hello students, good morning. Yesterday we have done about the digestion in human being and this is given for your homework. Then if you have any problem then we will discuss today. First your question, largest gland in the body is that their answer is liver. If you have problem then you can check your answer. This is tomorrow you have given for your homework. Yesterday to you given for homework. Carbohydrate get broken into glucose, fatty acid, glycerol and the amino acid. This one answer will be glucose. Now our tearing teeth are called canine, premolar, molar and incisor. Their answer will be canine. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in stomach, gallbladder, pancreas and lungs. Then their answer will be stomach. Next blank absorb the digested food. Stomach, small intestine, large intestine and esophagus. Which part of our body absorb digested food? Then answer of this question will be small intestine. Okay. Now we will start our next topic, nutrition in amoeba. Then amoeba is a unicellular organism. How there is the food is intake by that organisms and there is what is the process of the nutrition. Now we will start. Amoeba is a microscopic single organism found in ponds, pools and discs. It constantly, that you remember it, this one is the single cell organisms. Microscopic means we can't see with naked eyes. We can see only use of the microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is used to see the small teeny particles. So this one is the microscopic. It constantly changes its shape by pushing out in one or more finger-like projection called pseudopodia. Yes, it can change their shape by pushing one and two finger-like structure, because there is a shape is not constant, not fixed. Its shape can be changed, and there is a finger-like structure called pseudopodia. That part is used to help to intake food. And this false fit. Why it's calling false fit? Because this one is a their position of that fit can be changed, not a fixed. That's why there is a false fit. Meant for locomotion and capturing of food. That is the function of this part is the capturing of food. Capturing means catch of food. All the process of the nutrition are performed by the single cell of the amoeba. Now first is the ingestion. Ingestion means I told you already. Ingestion means intake of food. Amoeba, how this amoeba will intake food? Amoeba eats tiny microscopic plant animal as a food which float on water on which it lives. When an amoeba encounters a suitable organisms, it pushes out two pseudopodia around the organisms. Gradually, the tips of the pseudopodia fuse with each other. There in picture we can say there is this one is the amoeba. There this one is the finger-like structure. There also fingers-like structure. These are the pseudopodia. And this one is food. This amoeba vacuole, and this one is the nucleus. And there is a cell membrane. Outer cell membrane means outer covering of this amoeba and their food. Now this finger-like structure is known as the pseudopodia. From this finger-like structure pseudopodia, then food is captured by the amoeba. As food will come near this one, near the amoeba, then its finger-like structure is come out and it will catch toward inside. Now when the amoeba encounter a suitable organisms, it push out two pseudopodia around the organisms. Yes, as it will see that the food is near it, then the two pseudopodia around the organism is pushing the food inside itself. Then gradually the tips of the pseudopodia fuse with each other. Then the tips means this upper part will fuse. After catching that food, then they will combine with each other and then food will intake by the amoeba, like this one. This enzyme entering the food vacuole, there is the food is came inside this one. Their digestion processes take place. Now after this one, absorption, then digested food diffuse out of the vacuole, and this one absorption, then the assimilation. In assimilation means utilization of food. Now egestion means undigested food throughout, means after the digestion, absorption and utilize in form of energy, then the waste material will come out through the this one from the body, and this one process is known as the egestion. Now as a result, then food is engulfed with the little surrounding water to form a food vacuole inside it. That as the result, then food will engulf with a little surrounding water to form a food vacuole inside it. Now next process is the digestion. After intake of the food, that is the process of egestion. Now after the egestion, then the digestion take place. In digestion, where the digestion take place, then the enzyme from the surrounding cytoplasm enter food vacuole and break down the food into simpler and soluble substances. Digestion means the conversion of the complex substances into simple substances, and this process is take place inside the amoeba in food vacuole. The enzyme is the food for the amoeba from the surrounding cytoplasm enter inside the food vacuole of the amoeba. Food vacuole means that is the part of the amoeba which is lie inside the cell membrane near to the nucleus. Now inside this vacuole, food is enter and here break down the food into simple and soluble substances, that amoeba can use. Now absorption. After this digestion, then absorption take place. Digested food present in the food vacuole is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm. They are present in food vacuole, digested, that their digestion take place in food vacuole, then digested food present in food vacuole is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is that is the portion outside the nucleus in a amoeba, that is the cytoplasm. Assimilation, that process of a utilization of food, that is assimilation. Now here the digested food absorbed by the cytoplasm. By which part food is absorbed? Cytoplasm. Is stored and utilized for its growth, development and multiplication and release of energy. Yes, assimilation. In assimilation, after the absorption, then this digested food is stored for the growth, development and for the release of energy. Now next process is the egestion. Egestion is the undigested food get collected inside the vacuole. Undigested means that digested food that will convert into simple substances. Then waste undigested food, that is can't digest by the food vacuole. Then undigested food left, that will be collected inside the vacuole. Then the cell membrane suddenly ruptures at any place and the undigested food is thrown outside the body by the vacuole. Then the undigested food which we can't digest, that will be thrown outside the body with the help of the vacuoles. Now there is this one is the nutrition in amoeba. There is the same process as the human being take place. In human being also there is a 5 process for the digestion, that ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. Now same here for amoeba also same process. Egestion, first process is ingestion. Ingestion means that food is taken by the organisms. Digestion means breakdown of the complex substances into simple substances. Digestion. Absorption means that is the digested food is absorbed by the organism part. Assimilation, that is the digested food is utilized in form of the energy, growth, development. And egestion is the undigested food is come out from the body, that is egestion. This is the nutrition in amoeba. For your homework you have to make the notes of this nutrition in amoeba and learn this portion. Tomorrow we will do nutrition in ruminants. Ruminants means that is the animals which can feed grass eating that is the eating grass, then there is a two type of the process take place. One is the intaking the food by the animals inside the stomach, then after this their process, then it will come again in the mouth, then there again they are chewing again and again, then food is that is the rumination, that process. Then nutrition in the ruminant we will read tomorrow. Up to this topic you have to learn this one, this your homework. Thank you.